Hey there, my name is Sagar. So in this video, I'll talk about ABC model that you can implement so that you can create more impact in your business. So what is this ABC model? It is always be creating. Now, you know that when you create more, you can definitely create more impact. But this is not only about creating content or creating social media content, but there are so many other steps to complete the cycle. So I'll talk about the 5 steps so that you can create more and create more impact for your business. So let's get started. The first thing is create social media content. Pick any social media and be consistent with that. And you can choose any format of content, but it is like video, audio, or text, whatever it is. So objective is to build the trust factor and attract, nurture them through your social media content. That is the first step. What are the second steps? Once you nurture them or build them, you can give away something like some value offer for free, maybe small ticket which they can take actions. So what are the value offer? Mostly value offer are free, but few people also do it paid for, like for just commitment charges. So what are the value offer? Value offer is something like objective is to create massive amount of leads towards your business so that you can capture through your funnels, landing page, whatever you call. And the value offer can be like webinar, workshops, challenges. So you build massive level of trust factor and you pre-frame them for your next core offer so that you can make profits. So before making profits, many people do this mistake that they don't create actually value offers and assets. Now, coming to assets, what are the assets you can create? Definitely assets like ebook, PDF guide, cheat sheet, any tools, right, that you can give away so that those things can really help you to uh, build that momentum for the next step. So, what are the next step? That is we call paid offer, where you can make profits, to make more money. Now, paid offers, what are kind of paid offers you can create normally in digital business? It's specifically to in my niche, we create coaching courses and consulting. These are the three important things that we create. So, paid offer objective is to convert more people to make profits, and so that we can give them more value. Now, once you create uh, paid offers, the next step, what is the next step? Once you make sales, we will convert people. That is called create frameworks. Now, it is not just about making sales. It is about giving them results after making sales. Now, how you can give them results? By creating easy frameworks, by creating easy step-by-step systems. So framework is simply you can create any the course, whatever you are creating, the content that you are in the paid program, give something very simple step by step to solve problem or moving from point A to point B, whatever you are doing as per your things. So try to create more framework that will help help your customer to reach their goals. And once they reach their goals, that the next step is create case studies. Case studies will help you. Again, this is something you on the right first, and that is something going to give you more sales, because people see when because okay, the result speaks more than anything else. So try to create case studies by interviewing them, or maybe ask for testimonials, ask for trust pilot review, which is more trusted review collection platform, or ask for Google reviews, ask for any Facebook also has Facebook page has a review. So those are the social currency. Try to create as much social currency as possible so that you can build more trust in the market, and you can literally create, convert more people by using this type of case studies. I hope you are clear. Just to recap, create more social media content, create more value and offers and assets. And third is create paid offers. Fourth is create more frameworks to solve your customer problem inside your coaching consulting course. And fifth is create more case studies. So this is all about ABC model. Always be in the creation zone. Spend as much as time devote in this five factor, and definitely you will see massive impact in your business. And if you wanted to join our community or check out my free resources, check the description below. And if you found valuable, please comment hashtag valuable in the comment box, and share what is the one key learnings from this video. And please do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button so that it will help more and more people to solve and create more impact. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.